what do you do here at Bulawayo Club?
My name is Simon Hlatshwayo. I'm doing security duties here at the club, as much as covering up the reception area, getting our guests checking in and then going out, make sure they are happy and well secured into the hotel. That's mainly what I do.
And how long have you been working for Bulawayo Club?
I started working here September 2017, to say mostly nearly 8 years now.
Oh,
I've been around.
okay.
Yes.
And what is it that you enjoy about this job?
Well, this is hotel and catering. It's quite a challenging job, but you meet a lot of people on the way.
Yeah.
It's an exciting job because there's different people that come with a lot of things that you might learn from them, or you also want to interact with people from across the globe, which is quite exciting.